off the coast, and ever since.
No place on Earth has better weather.
This tropical update is brought to you by Lowe's Home Improvement Warehouse. When it comes to home improvement, Lowe's knows.
And here we are taking a look at our hurricanes for 100 years, and seeing we are in the month of September, the first 10 days, that's when we get up to the peak historically of the season, and we peak out on September the 10th. So we're right now in this red zone. And speaking of the first 10 days of September, we look anywhere from the coast of Africa to the Gulf of Mexico for possible development. And over the past 110 years, during this time period, 125 storms have originated in the Atlantic. Well, as we take a look at this morning's satellite picture, well, it looks like another one is on the way as we see a tropical depression that has formed here in the Atlantic, and the Hurricane Center has updated this morning for us and telling us to keep a close eye on this system right here. Tropical Depression 6, 10.7 north, 44.4 west. And that position is about 1,025 miles off to the east of the Lesser Antilles. And top wind's about 35 miles an hour, and the system still chugging right along to the west at about 16 miles an hour. Out ahead of that, there is a weaker wave, which is coming into the islands today, and that has showers and thunderstorms associated with that. So those of you in Antigua, Martinique, St. Lucia, you are experiencing showers and thunderstorms right now, but that is not in association with the depression, which is over here. And here we see our tropical depression. Looking at it, the showers and thunderstorms loosely organized here, not a great big ball of convection right near the center, but lots of showers and thunderstorms. So that's why we are looking at a depression right now. And with this large system, this is going to affect a wide area as it moves off towards the west the next couple of days. So as we head towards the weekend, and looks like the islands here will be threatened with showers and thunderstorms, maybe even a little bit worse, as the Hurricane Center is thinking this does have the potential to strengthen slowly over the next couple of days, and we could be looking at a tropical storm in a couple of days as it approaches the islands. So interest on the islands here, the Lesser Antilles, Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico. I want to keep a close eye on this tropical depression number 6 in the Atlantic, and if it was to intensify into a tropical storm, its name would be Erika. So right now a lot of squally weather out through here with our tropical depression or low pressure, and there is potential for some slow strengthening over the next 24 hours. To the west, as this wave moves into the islands, you can see some shearing going on, unfavorable environment. So as this does move to the west, the environment has been and still is a little unfavorable, but it does appear that it is trying to make its own environment, so that's why it'll be watched closely. Coming off the coast of Africa, another strong tropical wave, plenty of time to monitor that. And as we get you in closer to home, we have an area of disturbed weather off the east coast of